Facing 60 with empty pockets? You're not alone. It's a reality many are grappling with, a silent struggle that often goes unnoticed. The calendar turns, another year passes. You're 60 now. The milestones of life have come and gone, and here you stand wondering what the future holds. The weight of time, it settles in. Each wrinkle tells a story, each gray hair a testament to the years lived. Yet the uncertainty of what's next can be overwhelming. Maybe the dreams you held, the nest egg you planned for, haven't quite materialized. You're not alone. Many have walked this path, feeling the sting of unfulfilled promises and financial shortfalls. Many face this crossroads, staring down retirement with little to show for a lifetime of work. It's daunting, I know. The pressure to make ends meet, to find security, can feel insurmountable. The fear, the uncertainty, it wraps around you like a cold wind. It whispers doubts and fears, making you question your worth and your future. But listen to me, this isn't the end. It's a chapter, not the whole story. There's still time to write a new narrative, one filled with hope and possibility. It's a new beginning, a chance to redefine what it means to retire, to survive, to thrive. Embrace the hobbies you love, the passions that ignite your spirit. In the animal kingdom, survival takes cunning, resilience. These qualities are not foreign to you, they are embedded in your very being. You, my friend, have that in spades. Your life experiences have equipped you with the tools to navigate this new terrain. We're going to navigate this together, step by step. There are resources, communities, and strategies that can help you find stability and peace. Let's find a way forward, a path to dignity and peace in these later years. Together, we can turn the page to a brighter, more secure future. Tapping into lifelines, government assistance. These programs are designed to be a safety net, ensuring that no one falls through the cracks. First things first, let's talk about lifelines. These are the programs that can make a significant difference in your daily life. The government offers a variety of programs, safety nets designed to help those in need. These programs are not just for emergencies, but are there to provide ongoing support. There's the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, putting food on the table, ensuring you're nourished. This program helps you afford the groceries you need to stay healthy. Medicaid, Medicare, these can ease the burden of healthcare costs, keeping you strong in body. These programs cover a range of medical services, from routine checkups to emergency care. And then there's Supplemental Security Income, SSI. This program provides financial assistance to those with limited income and resources, helping you cover basic needs. A lifeline for those with limited income and resources, offering a degree of financial stability. This can help you manage your finances better and reduce stress. Don't shy away from these programs. They are designed to help you, and there is no shame in seeking assistance. They exist for a reason, to provide a bridge over troubled waters. These programs can help you navigate difficult times and find stability. It's not about pride, it's about survival, about holding your head high as you navigate this new terrain. Accepting help is a sign of strength, not weakness.
Applying for these programs, it can seem daunting, I know. The paperwork and requirements can be overwhelming, but there are resources, people ready to guide you through the process. Social workers and community organisations are there to help you every step of the way. Your local social services office, they're there to help. They can provide information, assistance with applications, and ongoing support. Remember, you've worked hard all your life, contributed to this society. You deserve to benefit from the programs that are in place to support you. Now, it's time to let that society support you, to help you find your footing. Embrace the assistance available to you and use it to build a secure and fulfilling future.
The power of a penny budgeting for survival. Now let's talk about the power of a penny. It might seem insignificant, but every penny saved can make a difference. Every cent counts when you're stretching a limited income. It's about making the most out of what you have. That's where a budget comes in, a roadmap for your money. It helps you see where your money is going and where you can save. Don't let the word budget scare you. It's not a restriction, but a tool to give you freedom and peace of mind. It's not about deprivation. It's about control, about making conscious choices with every dollar you spend. Making a budget allows you to prioritize your spending, ensuring that your essential needs are met first. Start by tracking your spending. Write down every expense, no matter how small. Where does your money go each month? Understanding your spending habits is the first step to making a change. Housing, food, utilities, these are the essentials. Make sure these are covered before anything else. Look for areas where you can cut back. Even small changes can add up over time. Small adjustments like turning off lights when not in use or making your own cleaning products can save money.
Maybe it's eating out less, cooking more meals at home, and enjoying the process of preparing food. Finding entertainment that doesn't break the bank, or exploring senior discounts. There are many ways to enjoy life without spending a lot. Remember, this isn't about living a life of scarcity. It's about being resourceful, finding joy in simple pleasures, about finding creative ways to make ends meet. Embrace the challenge and discover new ways to thrive on a budget.
For many, Social Security represents a lifeline in retirement. It's money you've earned, paid into throughout your working years. Understanding how much you're eligible to receive is crucial. SUN, the Social Security Administration website, it's a valuable resource. You can create an account, track your earnings history, and estimate your benefits. The age at which you start collecting benefits impacts the amount you'll receive. Waiting longer often means a larger monthly payment. Consider speaking with a financial advisor, someone who can help you navigate the complexities of Social Security and make informed decisions based on your individual circumstances. SUN, remember, this is your money, your future. Take the time to understand your options to maximize your benefits. Retirement doesn't have to mean the end of work. In fact, many find fulfillment and financial security in a second act. Part-time jobs, side hustles, these can provide a steady stream of income and a sense of purpose. Neighbor, think about your skills, your passions. What brings you joy? Maybe it's caring for animals, working with children, or sharing your knowledge through tutoring. The gig economy offers a wealth of opportunities, from driving for ride-sharing services to delivering groceries. Remember, age is just a number. Your experience, your work ethic, these are valuable assets. Neighbor, embrace the opportunity to learn new skills, to connect with others, and to contribute to your community. Look, life has thrown you a curveball, but you're still here, still swinging. You have the strength within you to navigate this new chapter. Remember, even at 60, you still have time. Old man, you have the energy now, but by 70, stability might be harder to achieve. Start planning today, prepare for the worst, and remain hopeful every morning. You can't stop time, but you can find ways to make the most of it. Believe in yourself, because you have only one choice, to live. And remember, you're not alone. There are resources, people, organizations ready to help. Reach out, ask for help. Old man, your resilience, your determination, it's an inspiration. Keep going, keep fighting for the future you deserve.